Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's a short one. Awesome 21 F150 two-door short bed, lowered, cool wheels. We installed a Hellion twin turbo system. We are going to watch a Dyno pool. We're going to go down and take a look. But this baby lays down over 700 real horsepower. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notified, stay up to date, have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so what do we have going? We are going to take a look, but hard to see. It's basically hidden turbos. This is the Hellion standard system, twins, they're 62s. Doug, come down here, take a look. All we installed on this is the Hellion kit. Pipes go down here, turbos down there, you can't see them. Down where the cats would be, you have your induction system right here. We did 1050 injectors. So we're running 93 octane on 9.5-ish pounds of boost. MS 109 race fuel, not 85, on about 13-ish pounds of boost. We're going to take a look at the graphs. We'll show you the boost, show you how the power curves are. But right now, check out this Dyno pool. All right, DynoJet SAE. Now, open the description. If you want to read more about the turbo kit, I will put a link to it. You can read a lot more about it. You can email quote@brenspeed.com, what's it cost to get installed, or we can ship it to your door. But again, DynoJet SAE, smoothing 5, Coyote, twin turbos. So, 93 octane, 599 roll horse, peaking at 6,900. And this is the 741 right here. That's with the MS 109 and 12.8 pounds of boost, 6,900. Torque 602 on 93, 629 on MS 109. And here's our boost down here. So we are running 9.68 on the 93, 12.84 on the MS 109. But look at these graphs right here. When the boost increases with the MS 109, killer gains. I love it. I love this truck. All right, 741 horse, 629 torque. Take a look at this thing. All right, so this client bought it. I guess it was already lowered, I believe, when he bought it. Already had the wheels and tires, you know. Lightning throwback is basically what we're going for right here. But the twin turbo kit is sick. I think that twin turbo kit would be awesome when you buy one of these, like base model, leave the base wheels on it, and totally throw everybody off. But that's all for today. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Have any questions, leave a comment. Check out our other videos. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.